Hey guys, Wilson here, and today I have a special video because I recently picked up a new Sony APS-C camera, which you can see over here. The Sony A6600 along with a Sigma 16mm F1.4 contemporary lens. And in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new camera and my new lens. And I also picked up a variable ND filter for the lens so I can film outside in bright conditions. Before I start unboxing this camera, I'm going to tell you guys the features, which is the 24.2 megapixel APS-C size sensor. It has a max ISO of 32,000. The camera can shoot in 4K at 30 FPS. It can shoot 1080p at 120 FPS for the slow motion. It has real-time eye autofocus, real-time face tracking. It has a 5-axis steady shot in-body stabilization. This camera comes with a headphone jack and you can monitor your sounds when filming. This is Sony's first APS-C camera to have the Z batteries, which are included in the full-frame Sony cameras, which is a great addition because you can film longer on one battery. Alright, so now that we got all that cleared out, we're gonna be unboxing the camera. Alright, let's unbox this, guys. I'm very excited for this new camera. So, straight from the box, you get some coupon stuff, some manuals, and warranty. So I'm gonna put these away, show you guys what's inside. Open this flap. First thing we see is a neck strap for your camera. So I'm gonna put this aside. Comes with a micro USB charging cable. Next we have, I think it's the eyepiece for the viewfinder. New Z battery. Well, not actually new, but new to the APS-C line. Very clean. It's got that bigger grip because of the Z battery. The customizable buttons right here, here, and here, and one more over here. It's got that flip up screen. Alright, so here we have the Sigma 16mm f1.4 lens. So here are some manuals and papers. I'll put those aside. Now I'm gonna take out the lens. Anyways, let's check what's inside. First thing we have is a lens hood. Next we have the lens itself. Take off the cap. This is what the lens looks like. Very nice. This feels really high quality. The manual focus right here, the focus ring. It's like rubber texture all around. Battery goes in like this. Let's see if it can power on. Alright, so we finally got the camera set up. One last thing to unbox, which is the KNF variable ND filter. So here we go. let's open this up. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So you can adjust how dark it gets or how light. Perfect for outdoors. Okay, perfect.